the Independence Day. I would request Principal Ma'am to kindly escort our Chief Guest and Director Sir for flag hosting.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय
EIS for such a determined and energetic performance.
A very pleasant morning to esteemed Chief Guest, Director Sir, dear Principal Ma'am, cherished faculty members, and my dear friends. We gathered here to celebrate 75th Independence Day. I, Sahil Bharti, and
I, Harsh Gautam,
wishing you all a very Independence Day.
today is the day when everyone must come together and show the whole world that this nation is the best nation under the sun. We have different religions, different languages, different culture and custom, but above this, we are Indians.
It's our honor to have with us Brigadier Binod Pasbola sir. I kindly request respected sir to enlighten us with your words.
Thank you. A very good morning to each one of you. Sri J.P. Nautiyal, Mrs. Nautiyal, the principal, Doon Defence International School, the teachers and the students of Doon Defence International School, the faculty, administrative staff, and the students of Doon Defence Career Point. I can see probably some parents are also there, dear parents. At the very outset, my heartiest greeting to each one of you on this momentous 75th Independence Day of India. It's a momentous occasion. We are celebrating, we are entering into 75th year of independence, which has been achieved with great sacrifice, great struggle by our freedom fighters and every citizen of this nation. I was so impressed with the speeches delivered by a student of Doon Defence International School, one in Hindi, one in English, and those speeches, if you have understood them, if you have assimilated them, there are a lot of essence in that. We have two important national days, Republic Day, 26 January, and Independence Day, 15th of August. And all over India and even abroad, these days are celebrated. But should it remain the celebration on that day only? If India has to progress, if the India has to achieve the glory it used to have, the place it used to have in the world, then we need to celebrate this day every day and be committed to progress, prosperity, enrichment of this nation, a great nation. And we should be all proud of our history, our culture, the legacy. And once you have that pride, every day, whatever you do, it is in the best interest of my nation. If every citizen of this great country resolves, pledges that whatever the duties he has been assigned or he has undertaken, he would be the best in that. If that happens, the day that happens, we'll again regain the glory of our past. I want to compliment, first of all, the parade commanded by a very smart, energetic Dev Pratap. Very well done, Dev Pratap, and every student who took part in the parade. And I can foresee all the traits of a future military leader in Dev Pratap. So my best wishes to you in all your endeavors. I want to compliment the wonderful, very enchanting, very absorbing cultural program presented by the students of Doon Defence International School. So much of talent, and on this wonderful momentous occasion, presenting the essence of India, the very core of India, our multilingual, multicultural, rich heritage, showcasing that, and sitting there and witnessing it was a very, very satisfying experience. So heartiest congratulations, children, for your wonderful performance. And I'm sure, in spite of what the world has gone through, and so are we, the corona pandemic, in spite of that, when I see the children in high spirit, highly motivated, highly energized, is a matter of great satisfaction for people of my generation. We feel assured that the nation future is bright and the nation is going to be in safe hands in days to come. So heartiest congratulations each one of these students who are there to showcase their talent. I was looking at the program, probably Doon Defence Career Point student would also present something, whether it is planned or not, but I'm sure, because I have interacted with you, most of you probably, and I have great faith in your abilities and talent, and I do expect a wonderful program which, if it is presented after my this talk. Once again, congratulations to each one of you, wonderful teachers, the students, and all present here. This is a great day, 75th Independence Day. I was listening to the speech of our dear Prime Minister. He has chalked out a program during this year, 75th year, and not only 75th year, till we attain the centenary of our independence. He had chalked out the program for 25 years, and he has also given a vision of where he'd like to see India after 25 years. Eagerly looking forward to that vision turning into a reality, a great vision. So once again, heartiest greetings, and let us pledge that each one of us will contribute in our own way, in a small way, to achieve those objectives, the vision which the Prime Minister has rolled out for this great nation. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.